Hi folks, Toad here with VisorDown.com, and we are in Córdoba, not quite sure how you say it, Spain, for the launch of the 2020 Ninja 1000 SX. Today we set off from the hotel silly early. It was about 8:15 or 8:30, and we've done about, I don't know, 80 k's, 90 k's so far. Really long riding day, which is good because I don't like short rides, but we've got over 250 k's to do on the new Ninja 1000. So what is new about the new Ninja 1000? Well, first and foremost, the name. The Z1000 SX is dead. Long live the Ninja 1000 SX. And that has been done because Kawasaki want to get all of the fared bikes in their range under one umbrella effectively. So all the way from the Ninja 125, the learn and legal CBT machine, right the way through the super sports machines like the 636 Ninja and the ZX10R Ninja, all the way up to the H2. They are all one family, which is the Ninja family now. Other bits and bobs that are new for this year. So this bike has got riding modes, it's got IMU control, traction control and ABS as well. It's got the same TFT dash, which I'm going to show you because I love this thing. One of the easiest and clearest TFTs on the market. Look at that. Everything you need to know. Don't have to go looking for anything. Perfect. So what else have we got? We've got cruise control as standard. We've got quick shifter as standard. This is the stock bike. So absolutely bone stock. And it comes in at a shade under 11 grand. You can then opt for two different option packs really. So there's the performance edition, which gets you an Akrapovic end can, which sounds nice, and you get a tank pad as seen there, and you also get a rear seat cowl. I think you might get a smoke screen as well. I'll have to double check on that. There is also the Tour edition, which gets you a taller screen, heated grips, the sat-nav mounting device that you can see down there, and you can also mix and match the two. If you add on about 2 grand to the price of the bike, you can get the performance and the tour pack, which kind of gets you everything that they do effectively. Another change for this year, the rider and passenger seats are new, so they've been changed, so they're a lot plusher than they were before. It's quite a wide standover on this. The seat height is over 800mm obviously, but it says like 835 or 840 millimeters, but to sit on it, it feels a lot higher than that because the standover is actually quite wide. So if you're any shorter than me, about 5'7", you'll probably want to look for the low seat version, which knocks about 30 millimeters off the seat height, and you would be much more stable and much more comfortable. So yes, as you can see, Córdoba is very nice at this time of year. I hear it's pissing it down back in the UK, and I'm not sorry one bit. We're going to go continue our ride now that we've had lunch, and there will be a full written editorial on VisorDown.com and a full video review coming very, very soon. Cheers guys.